Welcome to Pip Insight. Tuesday the 7th of July, Asian pre-open. This session we have analyzed 8 Forex pairs and selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture, 2 showing bullish structure and 5 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's Asian pre-open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure, dollar yen, dollar Swiss. Pairs showing bearish structure, gold dollar, euro dollar, Kiwi dollar, dollar Canada, pound yen. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you're here for the gold segment, you're in the right place. Let's break down what the charts are telling us heading into the Asian Open. Gold is sitting at around $4,155 right now, and the overall bias is moderately bearish. On both the 4-hour and 1-hour timeframes, we're seeing a clear downtrend structure, lower highs, lower closes, dating back from the $4,214 peak printed earlier this week. Price pushed hard up to the $4,185 to $4,192 resistance zone during the London session, got firmly rejected, and has been drifting lower ever since. That rejection is significant. The 4-hour MACD histogram has flipped negative, and RSI is rolling over from elevated levels. Momentum is fading on the upside. On the downside, the immediate cushion sits around $4,148, with deeper support clustered between $4,127 and $4,135. The 4-hour EMAs are trailing below current price, offering some structural support, but the macro picture remains heavy. The 200 EMA sits all the way up at $4,273, acting as a major overhead ceiling. On the fundamental side, FOMC member Bowman speaks today, though the impact is rated low. Any hawkish tone could strengthen the dollar and add downside pressure to gold, while a softer message might offer a brief relief bounce. Into the session, watch for $1,185 to the upside and $4,148 to the downside. Those are your key levels to monitor. Euro dollar. The chart is showing tentative bearish structure on this session. The 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.1439 and 1.1508. Support is marked between 1.14 and 1.1427. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar yen. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside. Resistance is marked between 162.08 and 162.41. Support is marked between 161.4 and 161.75. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Swiss. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.8072 and 0.8074. Support is marked between 0.8055 and 0.806. Here is the full chart breakdown. Kiwi dollar. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 0.57 and 0.5728. Support is marked between 0.5667 and 0.5684. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Canada. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.4215 and 1.4385. Support is marked between 1.4155 and 1.4181. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound yen. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 216.82 and 217.21. Support is marked between 215.45 and 216.44. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the Asian pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We covered 8 pairs this session, bringing you the ones with the clearest chart structure. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. We publish 3 times every weekday: London, New York, and the Asian session. Follow us on X at Forex Insight for updates. See you next time.